If someone is gasping, they may already be in cardiac arrest. Many people think gasping means a person is breathing. It doesn't. Agonal breathing is an abnormal breathing pattern that can happen during cardiac arrest. It may sound like snoring, choking, or occasional gasps for air. If someone is unresponsive and only gasping, treat it as a cardiac arrest. Call 911, start CPR, use the AED when available. Recognizing this could save a life. Follow Restart Your Heart LLC for more life-saving education.